Hello, everyone. The tool that I'll be teaching you today is the Content Aware Move tool. Now, the Content Aware Move tool allows you to select and move objects within an image while intelligently filling in the background to seamlessly blend with the surrounding. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. I'm going to grab the Content Aware Move tool, and it's actually just right underneath the Spot Killing Brush tool, this tool that says Content Aware Move tool. Now, you'd be surprised. This tool works similar to that of your lasso tool and your polygonal lasso tool. So in other words, it's just a selection tool. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a selection around my subject. And if you want it to behave similar to that of your lasso tool, then simply draw a freeform selection like that. Now, if you wanted it to behave like that of your polygonal lasso tool, then all you need to do is just press and hold the Alt key and draw your selection. Now, if you want to close your selection, just simply let go of your Alt or Option key, and then it will automatically close the selection for you. Now, in this case, I'm just going to use it similar to that of your lasso tool and draw a rough selection around our subject. Make sure, though, that when you're drawing a selection around your subject is that you don't touch the edges of your subject. Add some allowance, okay, but not too much, though. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw a rough selection around our subject. Almost done. And there. Okay, now all you need to do is just simply move the subject to the location where you would want to place it to. Let's say I'll place him right here. And notice that there's going to be a bounding box that will show up the moment you let go of your mouse. Now, that bounding box will allow you to either rescale your subject or rotate your subject. Okay, but for this case, I'm just going to rescale my subject. There you go. Once done, you can press the checkbox here or press enter. Now, notice that Photoshop is processing the image for you. And wow, it automatically fills in the area where you got the subject from and automatically blended the edges of the image to your new location. Now, if you don't like how it is blending the edges to that of your background, you simply need to adjust color right here. Okay, let me adjust it, probably around 3. And then Photoshop will reprocess again the image and apply the changes. There you go. If you like what you're seeing, you could simply press Control D or Command D on Mac to remove your selection. Pretty much, it's quite good.